Good night in the mix. Good fucking night. Welcome. I come to address somebody and clarify your fucking matter. I don't know who really I come for cause, but I come for abuse your stinking scunt. Cause you can't bad with whores like fucking me. What tell you? Don't bad with fucking me. Stop walking my fucking name in your mouth. You need to study the money where you owe fucking court. Study the fucking arrears where you're in. And they can summons your mother's cunt. Study you will fuck from Jerusalem all straight down to the golden fucking calf. You and your motherfucking since big market clock was a fucking watch, you stinking scunt, you. The time you take for abuse fucking me, you should flick by gaffers on the East Bank Atlantic Canaan at the shopping complex and buy some zinc for the old fucking house. And when you're done there, flick up Regent Street by Borgia and get a fucking gallon of paint for the old fucking house and do over your fucking living room. Don't study with me. You can dead me man at fucking 6:30. They're gonna burn your body at fucking the Namstel and they're gonna scatter your remains across the fucking Atlantic on Tuesday after fucking noon stinker. Y'all are gonna move on to greener fucking passes. You're me for done with my fucking name. Stop walking me fucking name in your mouth. You need to study your own fucking life when you're used to the walking in the fucking bush at the landing. When the men used to fuck you for bun brick and Hollis rago and you flick by getting speedy pan shop and the people had to bring it to your fucking attention cause you think was going you the fucking for not knowing it's fucking granite. Now bother with fucking me. You're not gonna bother with horse stinker. Stop walking my fucking name in your stinking fucking mouth. One of these days you're gonna walk and fall in your own pokey hole. You're gonna walk and fall in your own fucking pokey hole. You and your fucking since big market clock was a fucking watch. Now me. Far away fucking beauty. You stinking scunt. Your favorite clone is HB fucking O. High body odor. And the next one is SMDSMC. Don't fucking smell me. So I want you to beg you with fucking manners. Don't study me. Don't fucking study me, stinker. You ever tell you don't study fucking me. Why the fucking will I change with you, mother scum? How did you get here fucking stupid with me? Are you whole fucking on? Like fix my wig up. You play your mother scunt with me, a stinker. You play your scunt with fucking me, and I use real fucking girls. I use real girls. I is supposed to be fucking real girls. I use real girls. I got the fucking things between your foot and you think you're real. The only things you got between your fucking foot is the wingworm. You need to flick by fucking Medicare and get a forearm for the wingworm between your fucking pokey girl like a bouquet of fucking flowers. All the men you got in your fucking life like a pack of fucking cards. You're fucking from one joke in the pack to the next. Your life fucking hopeless, girl. You went till to Trinidad, you didn't even say you bring back a fucking something for your fucking mother. Not even a bread in a fucking basket or a part on a fucking stick stinker. We have to tell fucking people, we have to tell people your old antique fucking boss you and your mother like an old church door. She's control and your father like a fucking cross on a hill far away. Stinking scunt. I want you to continue with fucking me like dash a bucket to shit on you. Run in with your walk and dash a bucket to shit on you. She's not gonna bother with fucking me. I tell you, I don't call me. I be using this stinker. Let's just continue with fucking me. I don't continue with me name. Don't done with fucking me name sour. You're gonna walk and find your own bitty hole cause of that. You walk and find your own pokey hole, you know why? And you got the fucking audacity for flick by the fire for fucking par and tell the man about how you got the fucking tight hole. Is me sister Trevor Fenty, you got the tight hole, you know why? Because God cut you with a razor blade, cut your mother with a knife, and fuck you up with an axe. But you mean for fucking done. You mean for fucking done. Don't done Darius. Don't done Darius. Berry. You need to flick by fucking Medicare for the forearm for the bouquet wingworm where you got by your fucking pokey and the work and your left side fucking batija. You fuck from Jerusalem while straight down to the golden fucking calf stinker. Don't bother with me. I is real girls and I buying 6 pounds of chicken for cook 6 gallons of rice and 1 pound of chicken for cook for people. I could be fucking real. You old antique fucking boss yo. What you know about fucking people sour? You can dead the man at 6:30. Sharp, fucking sharp, like a sharp teeth fucking V. So scunt you. Don't bother with me. I want you to continue with me. One ringing bucket of shit you would get. A whole bucket of shit. A whole fucking bucket of shit you would get from fucking me. Human fucking feces. And if you play stupid, I run in the office where you can dash a fucking bucket of cat piss and pepper on you. Stinker. You can be fucking mixed moods and attitudes when I fucking visit you. I would meet you by fucking Demico in front of Parliament, building with my fucking grandma. I'm gonna dress when she get married in and do a rain dance for your mother scone. Cause like you getting stupid. Don't study me. I could use fucking 5 more minutes to stinker. Don't bother with fucking me. Continue, bop and roll, drink and piss, walk and bugger. Continue, fucking thing time to take abuse fucking me. You need to flick by the families to get a pack of alphabet. K to say the alphabet. A for apple, B for bat and C for cat. A for apple and B for fucking bugger. A stinker. Run out. Are you run out? In the mix, run out. Sour. So don't really bother with fucking me. I don't really want you bother with me. Don't bother with me, Darius. You can dead in the morning at 6:30. Pay course the arrears. Pay course the fucking arrears. So, see the spirits passing by. See the spirits passing by. Farewell, spirits. Galang, gonna dirty dog.